Hello, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all had a good Easter. What I've got for you today is a DORMA cylinder. If you see it with focus, there you go. DORMA. That's the keyway. Obviously, there's the bitting. Some nasty little low ones there. Right, let's get this in the device. And let's look at picking it. Today I'm going to be using these sparrows. I have my HPC in the back up there because it's got a little tool in there which helps me if pins get stuck. The reason why I'm using sparrows is because the keyway is really tight and the hook ones are too big to go in there. So I've got these off UK lock pickers when they first came out. And they're a very nice set. I mean, see, the tension tools are like, you get so many tension tools. It's ridiculous. The 2 layers of picks. Okay. Don't use them so much nowadays. I would like to at some point get my hands on the multi-picks one. They do look quite nice. Anyway, let's get this picked and gutted. So, tension tool in. You have this little flag, little tiny one, little curve on it. Let's give this a go. Going to show the pins front to back, back to front. Come on. Oh, there we go, we've got a kick there. So we're in an early pick. Getting counter rotation there, but I can't seem to be able to pick the pin up to take it out. So what I'm going to do is pick from the other side. Yeah, what I'm going to do is try this. So I'm going to pick from the opposite side. If I can get on top of that pin. Seems to slide off it. Come on. Okay. Not sure what's going on there. Let's try this side. Here we go, got one of them. I've just got to try and get the other one. There's the other one. Gotcha. That's it. Done. Picked. Right. Now I've got it picked. Let's see if we can get this gutted. Okay. Get everything moved around. There we go. clip off. How's that going to go? It's going to come on nicely, or is it going to fight a battle? Is it a spring one, or is it just a... Okay, does that do something? Feel like it did something, but maybe not. Feels loose. Okay, it's still there. Let's try another one. No. These clips can be such a pain to get off. See what's happened. It's caught on the inside of the curtain, on the inside of the cam. I've got to try and spin it around. There we go. Off it's come. All right. What am I doing? Yeah. So we'll do is I will get come on. If I can get these pins in there and turn this slightly. Now this should go in smoothly, more smooth there. I'm going to try and get this turned and pushed on. There we go. I'm going to use the pick to hook onto the cut. Oh, there we go. Wow, they're tiny. Right. So, here we go. Let's see if I can get this out now. Pins are holding it. So that was number one. There we go. Number two. Three. Four. 5 and 6. So yeah, nothing really special on the pins. Let's go through the top. When's number one going to ping? There we go. Going back on the back, so it's 6, 5, 2 springs, come on. Look, it's poor on the back. Yeah, just dropped out. It's 5. Sorry, 4. A spool. 3. Oh. Another anti-pick. 2. and then 1. There we go. So that was what was in the top. On the top pins. So the bottom pins weren't, the plug pins weren't anything special. Nothing special in any of them. 1, 3, 4, and 7. It only picks. Okay, so thanks for watching, and that was the DORMA Euro Profile 5-pin lock. There's all the other springs. So yeah, cheers, thanks for watching.